I would like to greet a good friend, Giselle Loy. A very happy birthday. I hope you and your family will continue supporting me and my administration. And may you live for 1,000 more years because I would need your friendship. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung early birds na hindi ko kakilala, na nagpakilala sa akin sa Davao North, sabi nila, tutulong kayo. Salamat sa friendship ninyo. I value it. And I said, anytime ako, Adre, salamat sa tulong ninyo. Mabuhay ka at mabuhay ang pamilya mo.